Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Save work and close apps. Open Start, choose Settings, then Update and Security. Select Recovery on the left. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. This triggers a special boot environment rather than regular startup, so make sure you intend to reboot. Once done, Windows will present a blue options menu after it restarts. You'll use that menu to access troubleshooting tools, UEFI firmware settings, and a boot device list. Stay with me for the next step to pick the boot menu option. Once you see the blue screen, choose Troubleshoot to continue. You'll find Advanced Options. This is where you select either UEFI firmware settings to change firmware boot order or startup settings to access safe mode and other startup behaviors. If you need a one-time boot device like USB or DVD, select UEFI firmware settings and reboot into BIOS/UEFI to change the boot priority. Otherwise, use Startup Settings and press Restart. Make sure to note which option you picked because the system will reboot immediately into that environment. You now finalize. In UEFI, change boot order to prioritize your USB or DVD, save changes, and exit to boot from that device. If using Startup Settings, choose the number for safe mode or other options when prompted. If the device isn't detected, reboot, reconnect it, and verify Secure Boot is disabled if required. Also try a different port. Once the intended boot completes or troubleshooting finishes, restart to return to Windows or proceed with installation. That quick check,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.